This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use AI to write a viral song. Yes, so that we can make some money. So let's learn how to do them. You're going to start by opening ChatGPT and you're going to prompt it to write the specific song that you want. Now, I am going to use the terms money and success because I'm driven by that and I want to be successful. We're going to type in write a song about money and success and include a viral hook. ChatGPT will write a song for you. You just need to tweak this to suit your style. Once we're done with this, we're going to copy the song and head over to Suno AI. Once you're in Suno AI, you're going to paste the song into the text box. If you're using the free subscription, you might need to just delete some words from the song description box. Then you're going to click the big old button that is orange that says create. Suno AI will generate a song for you with the lyrics and everything. It will also give you a number of options. Choose the ones that you want to use or the one that you want to use. You want to download that. Once you have downloaded, you're going to head over to Hedra.com. We're going to then head over to Hedra and we're going to select the plus sign, and from the drop down we will select generate a video. We will then select Hedra Omnia. Once we are done, we're going to go and we're going to select the plus sign to start the frame. So from the start frame, we're going to now upload. We will be uploading the image that we're going to be using to create a music video. We're then going to select add speech by clicking the plus sign, and then we're going to upload our audio that we have downloaded from Suno. You might need to trim the audio, especially if you're using the free subscription. Once you have trimmed the audio, you're going to then just select the up arrow, the blue up arrow, and then your video will be processing. Click it only once. If you click it twice, then you're going to lose all your credit. Trust me, I know. Yes, and that's it. You have made your video.
Level up from the